Welcome to Prime Trends USA, Zrenia. Today, let's talk about something truly magical, the love and unity that flourish within a community. Picture a bustling town square at night where people are gathered, singing carols and holding candles. The light from the candles reflects on smiling faces, a powerful symbol of unity and shared love. This is the essence of community love, a love that binds us together and lights up even the darkest nights. The heart of a community is not just about proximity. It's about connection. It's about people coming together to celebrate, support, and uplift one another. The beauty of Christmas lies in its ability to strengthen these bonds and remind us of the divine love that unites us all. The Bible captures this perfectly in 1 John 4:12. No one has ever seen God, but if we love one another, God lives in us and His love is made complete in us. This verse reminds us that when we share love within our community, we become vessels of God's presence, spreading His light and joy. A biblical example, the Good Samaritan. The parable of the Good Samaritan, Luke 10:25-37, is a timeless lesson in community love. A man is beaten and left for dead on the roadside. Several people pass by without helping him, but a Samaritan, someone from a community often despised by others, stops to help. He bandages the man's wounds, takes him to an inn, and ensures his recovery. This story teaches us that community love transcends boundaries. It's about reaching out, even when it's inconvenient or unexpected. Like the Good Samaritan, we are called to act with compassion and kindness, becoming lights in the lives of others. A modern example, candlelight carols for a cause. In a small town hit by economic hardship, residents decided to organize a candlelight caroling event to raise funds for struggling families. People of all ages and backgrounds gathered in the town square, holding candles and singing together. The warmth of their unity was palpable, and the funds raised helped dozens of families have a joyous Christmas. This event didn't just provide material support, it rekindled the community's spirit and strengthened their bonds. The act of coming together for a shared purpose reminded everyone of the power of love and unity. Community love shines brightest when we work together for a greater good. Just as the carolers' candles lit up the night, our collective actions can illuminate the lives of those around us. How to foster community love. Practical steps. Participate in community events. Whether it's a caroling night, a charity drive, or a simple neighborhood gathering, your presence matters. Lend a helping hand. Offer your time, resources, or skills to support those in need within your community. Spread encouragement. A kind word or a listening ear can go a long way in making someone feel valued and loved. Celebrate diversity. Embrace the unique perspectives and traditions within your community. Unity doesn't mean uniformity, it means celebrating our differences. Be the light of love. As we celebrate this Christmas season, let's commit to being sources of love and unity within our communities. Remember the words of Jesus in Matthew 5:14-16. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. When we let our light shine through acts of love and kindness, we inspire others to do the same. Together, we can transform our communities into places of hope, joy, and unity. If this message has blessed you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring messages. Stay encouraged and remember, thank you. May God bless you.